Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. Taylor Swift here. She's been here a couple times before on Garden Guitar, at least, and this time, who's afraid of little old me? So yeah, we're gonna play this together. We have 5 chords, I believe, for this song, and one strumming pattern that works throughout this entire song. So let's take a look at the chords first. We are going clean, no need for any capo here, so A minor, G, D minor, F, and C, that's what we're gonna work with. Starting here with A minor. All right, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. G next, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. D minor, so that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have F, it's a bar chord, so you play the bar over all strings there on the first fret, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. And the final chord is C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. So with that said, we have a strumming pattern we need to handle here, and we have a strumming pattern that consists of 8 downs. It's pretty fast. We want to emphasize the first, the fourth, and the 7th down. Okay, so we can grab this bar chord since it covers all strings. It's easier. So if you use the F here, grab that one. You're gonna play like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you want to play on the higher strings, higher notes down here on the first, the fourth, and the 7th down. All the other downs you play on the bass. So that is one string around. A couple rounds of it, slowly goes. So there you have it. Let's take a look at the different parts here. Starting with the verse, we have D minor 1, F1, A minor 1, and G1. We can go so far. So then you have D minor 1, F1. So and the last 3 chords, you're just gonna do 1 down per chord with pauses in between. Pauses the last, like if you would play the strumming. So the last 2 chords will be C, G, and F in that tempo. Like that. And that is 1 round of the verse. So D minor 1, F1, A minor 1, G1, then D minor 1, F1, then we had the last 3 chords, only 1 down per chord, C, G, and F. You do that for only this 1 round, and that is the verse play. Over now to the pre-chorus. You have still now the strumming pattern here. It's only at that point in the actual song from verse, pre-chorus, and chorus where you play just 1 down, the last 3 chords in the verse. Otherwise you're gonna play the strumming here. So we continue with pre-chorus, D minor 1, then F1, A minor 1, and G1, D minor 1, F2, and G2. Sorry, perhaps I said F2, I mean F1 and then G2, of course. So just to clarify everything here in the pre-chorus, D minor 1, F1, A minor 1, G1, D minor 1, F1, and G2. Yes, for only this 1 round you play the pre-chorus, and then we are in the chorus area. So we're gonna play C1, G1, D minor 1, and F1. Okay? You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, like this. That is the first chorus. After this first chorus, we have an instrumental parts only at this point, no instrumental parts later. Right after this first chorus comes A minor 1, C1, F2, then C1, D minor 1, and F2. Like this. A minor 1, C, F, F, C, D minor, and F. For all of this round, and then over to the next round of second verse. Second verse and second pre-chorus, no changes there. Then over to the second chorus. We have the same play, but now you play 6 rounds instead of 2. So 6 full rounds instead of 2, everything else is the same. And after the second chorus comes the bridge part. We are now about 2 minutes and 37 seconds into the song. And you're just gonna play 1 down of A minor, then G1 down, and then F1 down. And then you're gonna give 2 notes there, 3rd fret on A string, and then 2nd fret on A string. And then you repeat that again, A minor 1 down, G1 down, and F1 down. And the same notes again. And then you continue with D minor 1, F1, A minor 1, and G1. You play that again. Repeat the D minor, F, A minor, and G. Still just 1 down per chord, no strumming here. And then you go over to play C, 1 down, then G1 down, and D minor 1 down. That's shorter the chord progression. C, G, D minor, you play for 4 rounds. So 4 rounds of C, G, and D minor. As soon as you finish this 4 rounds, you ended this long bridge part. So I just want to summarize this bridge part for you. It was pretty long. You had first the A minor, G, and F, plus the added notes 3rd A and 2nd A. You play that part for 2 times. Then you go over to D minor, F, A minor, and G. 1 down still per chord, and play that part for 2 times. And then you go over and play C, G, D minor, and play that part 1 down per chord for 4 times. After that, you bounce back in the chorus area, play the last 3rd chorus, and guess what? Instead of playing just 2 or 6 rounds of C, G, D minor, and F, you play now 10 rounds. 10 rounds of that, and that wraps it up for Taylor Swift's Who's Afraid of Little Old Me. Yeah, nobody should be afraid of me. Please subscribe to this channel, be a part of this family. I'm friendly, and I want to teach you guys to play guitar, since that is life. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to subscribe to this channel, and until next time, play tuned.